Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Well, it has been cold really from start to finish today. I know we're not totally done with Friday yet, but we're basically at the peak of our daytime heating and we are still at the freezing mark in Decatur. Lots of sunshine though. The wind out of the north-northeast at 10 miles per hour is making it feel like it's 24 degrees. Now take a look here at what we've got over Huntsville. Look at that glimmer of sunlight along the horizon. The cloud deck is moving towards the east, so we are continuing to clear as the evening goes on. This is what it looks like on the Wave 31 Thompson Roofing and Construction Skycam network. 1 degree below freezing with that wind chill. It's feeling like 21. The Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network shows that clearing line very well through parts of Lincoln County, western Lincoln County, down into Limestone County. Nothing but sunshine right now over the shoals, and all of this is going to continue to shift eastward as the night goes on. And kind of an interesting picture there in North Georgia, right? But a lot of what's showing up here on the radar side of things indicating a lot of snow. It's not actually reaching the ground. The air is just too dry. So you may get a couple of spits of snow out into Georgia, but it's not going to really impact the evening drive. And I don't think, at least that's what we're seeing from a lot of the Mets around the Atlanta area. So the meteorologist in that area not reporting much of an impact, but it is certainly interesting nonetheless. For us, as we go through tonight, 19 degrees. That's the forecast low. Clouds keep moving on out. The wind out of the north, 5 to 10 miles per hour. But the wind's going to let up as the night goes on, and it gives us this, the need for the ice scraper again. I think if you're heading out the door early Saturday morning, you're going to need a couple of extra minutes to warm those vehicles up and scrape the windshields, because we've got all the necessary ingredients for frost to develop and a hard freeze at that. Look at the temperatures through the day on Saturday though. By 1 o'clock, we're close to the 40-degree mark, and then we get there by 4 o'clock. Tons of sunshine all day long. More of the same for Sunday. A few thin high clouds that I see in our forecast, but that's about it. So for the rest of tonight on future radar, I do see some indications for maybe some fog trying to develop early tomorrow morning. See these little pockets of clouds here? That's what this data source is trying to key in on. And as long as that waits until right around sunrise to develop, we don't have to worry much about freezing fog. But it is something that I'm just going to kind of put in the back of your mind that we're watching for you. And then for the rest of the day, an absolutely gorgeous first half of the weekend, and I told you it's going to be very similar for Sunday. Feels like temperatures not drastically different than the actual air temperatures because there's not a lot of wind here to work with, but it doesn't take much to feel colder than the actual temperatures, feeling like mid to upper teens if there's any breeze at all tomorrow morning. The next system that we're watching for you comes in Monday night into Tuesday. Still looks like mainly a rain event for us, and some data sources keep a lot of this out of the area just in general, but here's 7 o'clock. Tuesday evening. Look at the snow up into southern middle Tennessee. It's worth watching that chance for some snow on the backside of the rain. So I'll just let you know that we've got our eyes on it, and look at the temperatures dropping back down to a high near 40 degrees on Wednesday. Our mildest day is Monday, close to average at 53.